Alright y'all, so it's your girl Truth back again with True Travels, another video, and today I'm coming to y'all from the beautiful, sunny Miami, Florida, and I am in the Coconut Grove area. You can see the palm trees behind me, the traffic's going crazy, it's a Saturday, and you guys can see the Courtyard sign right here behind me. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys everything the Courtyard by Marriott here in the Coconut Grove has to offer. If you've never been to Miami, Coconut Grove is a beautiful neighborhood, very rich, vibrant. The aesthetics are very upscale. In fact, across the street is Grove Harbor Marina. So yeah, that's something to take into consideration. But I'm gonna take you guys to the hotel, let you see everything that it has to offer, all those good things. They have a nice pool, different amenities, nice little hotel to stay at if you're gonna be in the Coconut Grove area. So let's get into it. So the hotel sits off of South Bayshore Drive. And across the street is the Grove Harbor Marina over there. It's a Saturday, so a lot of people are over there getting their boats and stuff ready to go take out, go on a nice little boat. But here, you can see right here off of Darwin Street is the Courtyard by Marriott here in the Coconut Grove area. If I look up here, you guys can see you got some decent floors, some nice rooms that face the marina over here. You got rooms that face the water, you got rooms that have pool views and things of that nature and stuff like that. But yeah, and right up here is the main entrance to the hotel. They do have valet available for $35 a night, but they also have parking here on the side street. So parking on the side street is free from like 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. Right here, this little roundabout loop is the entrance to the hotel. That's the side street parking right here. Again, I think 2 a.m., 10 a.m. is free. And if you want to pay by phone, pay by the hour, it's like $3 for an hour or something. It's not bad. Pretty affordable, pretty reasonable. All right, y'all. So we're coming through the main entrance here of the hotel. As y'all can see, Courtyard by Marriott, official hotel of the NFL, baby. First coming into the lobby area, there's those double doors. We have the front desk here to the right. We have the main lobby area. So, cute little dog. Alright, you got the cart so you can take your stuff and luggage up. You have 3 main elevators. Right. Got a pool table over here. They also have bikes for you guys to rent out too. So you can go on like a bike tour for like 2 hours or so. It comes included because they charge you an amenity fee for the day. It's like $22 a day. Not bad. And this is the bistro bar. Plenty of drink options. For you to choose from. Nice seating area for you to come get some food. Stuff like that. You have the bistro right here. Eat, drink, connect. There's a little TV. There's an area to go out to the pool. Pretty decent pool area. It's pretty big, lots of seating. Let me see if I can come through here. And then you have the marina dock out to the other side of this hotel. But you got plenty of seating areas out here. The pool area is pretty decent, pretty big. And you have the rooms up there that have great view of the pool and a great view of the marina. Pretty decent sized pool too. So you can come out here with your family, your friends, your loved ones, by yourself. Just vibe, chill out, have a good time. The sun isn't doing me no justice today, but that's okay. All right. Ooh. Same time. Looking through here. Shoes, shirts. Yeah. That's the lobby area. I forgot to mention earlier that they do have a Starbucks too, y'all. So they got Starbucks. You want Starbucks? You know what I'm saying? Nice drink options for you to choose from. And yeah, that will pretty much wrap up this video. I really just wanted to give you guys an in-depth look at the Courtyard in Coconut Grove. Just show you guys what the lobby entailed. They have the pool tables, again, bikes for you to rent out, different things and amenities for you to do, and an amazing pool area. So thank you all for watching. And if you're interested in looking at a room tour, then go ahead and check that out. I'll leave the link to that video down below. It's your girl Truth. Thank you for watching Truth Travels. Subscribe and like the video and tune in for the next one.